Hello everyone, hope you're all keeping well. So I am going on holiday tomorrow. I'm going over to Spain and it is going to be boiling hot and I cannot wait. Just quickly, I come across a few things. I just wanted to share a couple of bits and pieces with you. So obviously going on holiday, you're trying to keep the weight down and you want to, you've got a lot of stuff to take. So obviously with the hair system, like I've mentioned before, you may have seen, I'm a very sweaty person. So I do quite a few workouts. I just sweat naturally. I'm going to Spain. It's going to be boiling hot. We're due about 30 odd degrees plus. So it's going to be hot. I'm going to be sweating quite a bit. I've had this new hair system on now. I got it fitted a week ago. I've played football twice since. I've been out running and done various bits and pieces. And as you can probably see, it is lifting quite easily. There are little hacks and things that you can do with this where you can stick adhesive and stuff on the front, but that's for another video. What I'm going to do quickly is I'm going to show you now just a few bits that I'm going to take away with me. Now this, believe it or not, is my emergency bag to take away on holiday. And what this contains is, I've got the glue. That is going to be for obviously doing the front. So what you do is you take this out, you've got the brush, I'd have the hair piece up. Then what I would do is I'd put a bit of glue across the front here. You can see where the line is. Okay, so I put a bit of glue on the front there, a little bit on the tape. Okay, so making sure all the hair is out the way. I'll just dab a little bit on there, leave the hair piece up, let it dry. Okay, once it gets a bit tacky, then what I'll do is I'll stick it back down and then place my hand on it, stick it down a little bit, and then just leave it. I wouldn't put any product or anything on it. Just give it an hour or two, just to stick down. Now that's emergency. That's for basically if the front is started to lift, you don't want to take the whole hair system off. You just put some of this glue on the front of it. You probably get supplied this with Hair for All as a starter pack. This is what I've got. I'm still using it. I don't tend to use glues. I always use tapes on my hair, but this is in case of emergencies. And I have had a couple where it started to lift and I didn't want to have to change it and I didn't have the time. So what I did was I used this stuff and I stuck the front of it down and it works. You know, two or three more days, absolutely fine. Okay, so what else I'm going to show you now is the C22 lace release, quite substantial bottles, a tiny little bit of weight to them. I mean, as you start to put all your stuff in your suitcases, it all adds up. So what I've done is I've gone and bought, and what I've got in my emergency little bag is little spray bottles. See the size? Okay, so comparing lace release, I've just put some in there. Nice little spray to obviously spray it on. This one here, C22, and a little, I think these are a couple of quid on Amazon. Easy peasy. And then in there as well, what else we've got is cotton pads, just some cotton pads. Obviously, you know what we do with the cotton, you get teaching what to do with the cotton and stuff. Obviously getting rid of the glue, putting a little halo around, getting all the glue and adhesive off the top of your head. I'll also be taking this. This is obviously the scalp protector, which I'll be putting back on the head. Now, I'm taking that away with me, just in case of emergency. I don't anticipate it's going to come off, but you never know. You've got to prepare for the worst, okay? So if it does happen, I can use the glue if the front starts to lift, or if I've got a little bit of time, then what I do is I might need to take it all off and stick it back on again. But like I said, in previous videos and stuff, I've gone away to Wales for 10 days, had it fit for 10 days. I was walking, hiking, swimming, and it was absolutely fine. I mean, at the end of it, don't get me wrong, I could pull it straight off, but it ain't going to fall off on you, so please don't worry about that. It won't fall off, it won't blow in the wind, you won't, go to head the ball and the hair piece comes off, the hair system flies in the goal or whatever. It will be absolutely fine. So yeah, and there is another product that I have found, okay, and this has saved me quite a bit of time. What I will do is I will show you in another video when I go to put the hair piece back on. These little things here are tape, individual little bits of tape, and if you can tell there, they are curved. So when you're actually sticking it on top of the hair system, you can actually get it around the hair, so you don't have to do as much cutting of the tape. What these do have as well, little holes in them. Okay, so the little holes, a little bit more breathing for the top of your head, especially in the summer. So I think this is my go-to for when it's hot and summery. I've used these quite a lot. They come in a little pack like this. This will be the emergency tape that I take away with me because I can stick it on a hell of a lot quicker with this. There's no fiddling with cutting around with the the shape and the corners as they teach you when you're getting your hair system fitted for the first time. So these are a godsend. They're very good and they're not that expensive on Amazon again. So Amazon's been a good go-to for me. One final thing from Amazon that I have got is they tell you that silk pillowcases are good. Obviously what the cotton ones do is they will pull small pieces of your hair, and you won't get as long out of your hair system as what you'd like. So they said silk. I'm not a silk fan. I've never liked sleeping on silk sheets or silk pillowcases or anything like that. So each to their own. If you like it, then that's fine. But what I have found is 100% bamboo, organic bamboo, and this is basically, it's bamboo silk. So it's exactly the same kind of texture as silk. It's a lot nicer, it's breathable, it's more sustainable. Like I said, I'm a hot person, so when I'm sleeping, this stuff is great. It keeps me a lot cooler. Like I said, it feels like silk. It's lovely, really, really nice. Again, just look on Amazon for bamboo pillowcases, and you'll find them in packs and stuff. Loads of different color varieties. I went for the grey because it's quite neutral. So yeah, all good. But yeah, they're basically, that's just a little kind of guide on taking stuff on holiday, and what I'm going to be like. But what I'll do is I'll do some vlogs on holiday. You can see me in and out of the pool and sweating, and I'll give you an update on how I go on, an honest update on how it goes through the week. If my hair system starts to come off within a few days, then you kind of know for yourself that if you go on holiday, what to do. So I'm new to it. I'm just going to go with it, and hopefully you follow me and watch it. Cheers, take care, bye bye.